Oh, hello. Today I'm going to. I'm in the second Saturday for the city that I'm in, and they have art walks around this neighborhood. I've never been here, but like I am in on South Flores and then 1906 South Flores. So I'm gonna check it out. Hi. So I met someone inside, so I was like snooping around, like things, and they opened up, and they said that like, well, also in the schedule, uh, the place, apparently like supposedly in the center of it all, like a lot of like studio spaces open, and it will start around like 6 and 7. So in the meantime, I'll wander off, and now I'm here at the Blue Star Art Walk, River Walk, something. And I'm gonna check out the cypress trees. I think I've been here before. Like one of my friends like that. We had lunch here for like some pizza, but here we are. There's a bird, white heron. I don't know what it is specifically, but it's white and it looks like a heron, so it's a white heron. And there, behind me are the cypress trees. Those are the cypress trees. I'm gonna read a little history about like this is San Antonio River, I think. There. It's kind of smelly. It's always music to my ear to hear water. South Alamo Street. Pretty cool, huh? It's kind of brownish, but back in the day, I'm sure, which means back in the day. So I guess at this point, right here, there's like some hydraulics controlling to raise up the water. There, that much, that's as natural as possible. There, I can even see turtles in those rocks right there, small turtles. But right there, further down, it's like close to the downtown area, where there are like ferry boat, like not ferry boat rides for the river. So they need to raise the level of water so that like boats can float. And I think this is one of the things that controls the rise and then thing of the water. So they raise it up to the dam, but you can't block it, otherwise it will be like too much. So it still overflows, but it maintains a certain depth and height of the river. Pretty good. Maybe instead of like exploring those parks that I've hiked so many times, in maybe explore the river walk. That's another idea, and it's an idea that's like nobody thought about. Only I thought about it. Even the people that like put the pavement on the ground along the river never thought about like walking along the river and vlogging with me in the vlog. There's the fish. That's a fish. There's a fish with like, I don't know what kind of fish it is. And then there's a turtle right there in the corner. It's hard because of the reflection of the water. But there's a fish. I see a fish. Apparently there's a lot of those fishes right there. It's hard because of the reflection. There's also a duck. There's a duck and a bunch of turtles. But those two right there, fishes, and the other one swam out. This one is still here, right there. And this is the river walk. I don't know where I am. I'm somewhere here. South Flores. I'm somewhere here. But that's the downtown thing. I'm kind of familiar with that. Southtown, King William District. I think I'm somewhere here. Blue Star Complex. So I'm here in the red thing. I'm there. So I'm back here at the South Flores, the area where the thing's gonna be. But like I'm still an hour early from the Riverwalk area, that blue blah 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 there. And so this area, there's a lot of like warehouse kind of production place, and it feels like it's really going to, it's a nice place for art stuff, but the times have changed. I'm still having a hard time grasping the idea that like why buy art when you can just look at it, and the main thing that you're gonna do with art is just look at it. I mean, rarely people do like make investments to, I mean, it's not rare, but like I'm not in the economic bracket to be like, you know, buy art, sell it. That's like big time stuff. Like most people just like look at art and admire it. They're probably like, oh, remember it. And then now art, you can Google art and see it. No need to like collect it unless you're like really into it. So that's the change. So this neighborhood, yeah, will advertise art, and some people will buy art, but it's like it's the cheapest as possible, and then the most expensive they can sell it to. It's more like a business than well, I don't know. Now there's a train coming by, and brackets are coming down. Flores, and I'm in the intersection of Flores and La Chapelle, South Flores and La Chapelle, and you can hear the train. Well, here's the end. Now I walked a block in from Flores, and then now I'm in Kunster Brewing Company. I'm gonna have like maybe like one beer, German beer, just to like, you know. So I'm here at the bar, and I'm having the Confidence Bitch, and here it is. Very confident. I like to have some hors d'oeuvres, but like no, not yet, because I'm going to do the Miss Pac-Man thing, and it's great. So now a little buzz. I had the Confident Bitch. Now walking out, going back to, it's now 20 minutes to 7. So I'm gonna walk back to the art scene and see what's all the fuss about. It's a pretty good neighborhood. Yeah. So that's the beer house. Oops. Buzz. This is the stage that's I like. A little buzz. I challenge me to talk about art while buzzed and fucked up. Well, I'm not really fucked up, but just just bus. Art. It's something to look at. It boils down to it. It's something to look at. It's interesting, and then makes you think, makes you appreciate. Like, ooh, that's pretty. Comes down to it. That's it. It's pretty, and then it means to the individual that like they were able to like see something like beautiful. Beauty means a lot, you know. It impacts people. So another thing that's like here in this street are like the trains. Well, while the train is going, across the street is where I'm going to start doing the 1906 gallery art place right there, and I'm going to show that. You see that guy at a man. I'm buzzed. I get to see the end of the thing, and then yes. So the train is over. I crossed, and I'm gonna start the art walk. I'm in 1906 South Flores and Casiano, or La Chapelle, something like that. So I'm gonna start it's almost 7 o'clock. I'm gonna start the art walk here at Ainers, and I'm gonna start the art stuff. And I met Andy and then the wife. Awesome people, my impression. And then I'm gonna check out the art. And I'm not gonna film the art because that's like I don't like to film the art. So I'm here at the gallery, and then I see a backdrop of the things like stuff, and then I think there's something interesting. I think I saw a muralist somewhere, and I thought about like my good friend of mine that like does mural, and it's really good, and I saw it somewhere there. And since I'm drunk, I can't think of it. Ha! And I found a word. It's muralist. Morals. Muralists. You know, polycard. So I think I'm pretty much done with the art stuff, and the most that I've seen is low cool, and that's it, and it's pretty cool. But like now I'm with iPapi, like some Puerto Rican cuisine, you know, stuff. Like the West Coast they call it roach coach, but like I'm gonna do it. Yeah. So eating food, and then like sitting next to the rail, next to the train. Yeah. Little buzz. Kind of dangerous, but like not so much. But empanadas. I've never seen a Ford Ranchero, but that's like a nice car. One thing good about like art places is like this, like roach coaches, or like little places where they experiment, or like they try it, and like, you know, start up businesses, and like